welcome to a new video of Made by Siem. Guys, today I have to show you another beautiful package that I got from IKSON. I just unboxed it in my Dutch video and I'm super happy. Let me tell you one thing. IKSON does sponsor me. Whenever they see that you use my link that you can find down below into the description box, they're willing to send me a package every now and then. So I didn't order last week. It was an order on the larger size because I have a lot of beautiful projects coming up and I love to use IKSON. If you follow me along on the way, you know that I truly fell in love with the brand IKSON. Last week they sent me a partial package of what I ordered, and the same this week. I received a partial package of what I ordered as a sponsored package. So first of all, I would like to thank my contact person at IKSON so very much. You have no clue, or maybe you have, how thankful I am that you are willing to send this to me. So thank you so much. I'm not gonna tell your name because I'm not sure if you want me to. So, but you know who you are. So thank you so much. Well, last week they picked a few packs off the list that I sent to them. This week they did the same, but I didn't know what they were sending off that list. So when I opened my package, I was really surprised. And I can tell you one thing, they're all new yarns at IKSON, and I love them all. I love the yarns that they send me. First of all, super bright colors, beautiful yarn, beautiful. This is the Savor chain color, salmon, yellow, lavender, turquoise. Look at that. Super bright. I'm gonna take one skein out of the package so I can show it a little better to you guys. It is a chain yarn, as you can see. There you go. It is a chain yarn. Let me check the label. It is called Savor chain color. It is a medium worsted weight number 4 yarn, or an Aran yarn. 200 grams and 240 meters per skein of yarn. They suggest to knit this with a 5mm knitting needles. And if you want to crochet this, yeah, I would suggest somewhere between 5 and 6.5. It just depends on the project that you're making, right? So if you will make some clothing with this, then you would rather use a larger crochet hook, and if you want to use it for making baskets, bags, or whatever, then I would suggest to use a smaller hook size, like a 5 or 5.5mm, maybe even a 4.5. I will have to try it out myself. The fiber is 50% acrylic and 50% polyamide. Super nice yarn. Now, this is not one of their softest yarns, but it still is a super nice yarn. I think I would use this for baskets, blankets, purses, bags, and stuff like that. but maybe, or pillowcases, but maybe even for garments. I will have to try it out. And if you're interested in a review video of this yarn, then please let me know down below into the comment section of this video. So, because I'm working on a series of review videos of ice yarns, and if you want me to include this one, then please let me know, and I'm willing to do that as well. Super nice. So it comes in a pack of 2 of these beautiful big skeins, and ice yarns sent me 2 packages. So I have 960 meters to work with. I'm gonna put the yardage for you guys right down somewhere in my screen. Now, price-wise, some of you have asked me, can you put the price in the screen as well? Now, I'm willing to do that to help you guys out, to let you know what the price is per skein, but I will have to tell you as well that they do have promotions every now and then, and I'm not sure, because I haven't checked it first, if this is on sale at this moment or not. But if it is on sale and it is a sale price, I'm gonna let you know that as well. All right. So I'm gonna put the dollar price for you, because that is a consistent price. It is easier to put the dollar price, you know, in the screen than the euro price, because of the how's the word for koerswisseling? Yeah, I'm gonna put the translation exchange rate. It is exchange rate, I think. I'm gonna put it down here as well if I was right or not. Right, so I got these beautiful skeins that will be something beautiful in the next few weeks. Super, super nice. Now, I was super curious about this color, but I was also super curious about this one. Same yarn, different color. Look at that. I'm not sure if the camera does the colorway any justice. I'm not sure about that, because it is so pretty. Savor chain color, pink shades maroon. I love it. I love it. It really looks nice next to my sweater. Look at that. I love it. Look at that. Super, super nice. So I got this one too. And for this one, I also got 2 packages. Super nice. Oh, let me see how I can arrange that. There you go. So, 4 packages of beautiful yarn already, and I still have 1 package left. Now, sometimes they say save the best for last. Well, this is the Savor, which is an awesome yarn. You have Savor, Savor 100, Savor Light. There's another one, new one. And now you have the Savor chain. So, and until now, I've loved all the Savor yarns. I love them all. Then I requested another yarn, completely different. I wasn't sure if I can use the colors that I chose in my videos, but I'm gonna give it a try, because I fell in love You know, even when I saw the pictures on their website, I fell for this yarn. I love it. I'm gonna show you now, guys. This is the Universe Pink, Black, Purple. Now look at them babies. Look at them beauties. Oh, this is so beautiful. And again, I'm not sure if the camera does it any justice, but this yarn, when I took this skein out of the package in my Dutch video, I don't know how to express myself in English, but I was so surprised. It looks like it is some sort of a metal yarn, you know what I mean? It has a metal look, but this is the softest yarn you've ever felt. I felt it in my neck because I have a really sensitive skin. It doesn't itch at all. And you know, I have a super sensitive skin. Universe, 19% wool, 11% acrylic, and 70% polyamide. 100 grams, 230 meters. Purple yarn, it is a number 4 medium worsted weight number 4 yarn, or an Aran weight. And knitting needles 5mm are suggested. It looks like some sort of a chain yarn as well, just like the saver that I just showed you guys. But there is a little fuzz around. You see the fuzz? There's a color change in this yarn, because I see pink and I see black, a lot of black, and I see purple, but it has a silvery shine to it. It's sort of a metal look shine. So beautiful. I cannot wait to start working with this beautiful yarn. Super nice. Super nice. It comes in a pack of 4 of these beautiful skeins. Now, for all of these yarns, I'm willing to make review videos. Just let me know down below into the description box of this video if you want to know and what you want to know about these yarns. I will give it some time, and as soon as I found some of your questions down below, I will make the review video. If you want to buy ice yarns, I want to ask you guys if you want to help me out and use my link when you decide to order at Ice Yarns. Now, if you're not, you know, when you see these chain yarns and you think, well, they're not yarns for me, they have over 5,000 different kinds of yarn. So if you go to their website and have a look, I'm absolutely sure that it is something that you will like. Now, the shipping methods, they do ship all over the world, and it is if you are able to receive packages from Turkey. They have changed. Well, usually I said, well, if you buy 6 packages of yarn, the shipping costs are the cheapest comparing to if you want to buy more than that. But there were some changes to the shipping cost, so I'm not sure. I think that 4 to 5 packages, and if you want to buy more, then it would be smarter to, if you go for the express shipping, that is, to go for another package. But you know, guys, it is all up to you. About the package, about, you know, the shipping, I'm a little lost, and I'm not sure what I would do, because the last time that I ordered myself, I used the slower shipping method, and it took about 2 weeks to get to my house, which is fine. But that was a little cheaper. Usually I'm more like, when I order today, I like to have it tomorrow. You know what I mean? But well, I'm not sure how that works in your country or wherever you live. But yeah, I think 2 weeks, for the slower shipping method is absolutely great. So, but still, I would go next time. I will go for the express because I want to buy today and have it tomorrow. Anyway, so again, please, if you decide to buy IKSON, use my link. And if you're going to have a look at their website, please enjoy. Bye for now.